Welcome to challenge number 12. For an arithmetic progression, product of third term and 17th term is equal to square of 7th term. Find the ratio of first term to the common difference, that is A is to D. Let the arithmetic progression be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Nth term of an AP is given by A plus n minus 1 times D. Third term is equal to A plus 2D. 17th term is equal to A plus 16 times of D. And 7th term is equal to A plus 6D. Given that product of third term and 17th term is equal to the square of 7th term. Let us put it that way. A plus 2D into A plus 16D is equal to A plus 6D whole square. That is also equal to 4D square is equal to 6 times A into D. Hence, A is to D is equal to 2 is to 3.